Hi, what are you doing here? I'm talking to you, by the way.
Hello.
Hi, we found him again. But anyway, got a bit of a different one for you today. I don't know how in depth we're going to do with this one, but we're going to do ourselves a clutch on a little Suzuki Swift Sport. Look, check it out. Ta-da! Magic. So yeah, see how we go on. How many rusty parts do you reckon we're going to find on this? Seized drive shafts, things like that. None of it. It's all going to be cake, isn't it? But yeah, there you go. It's down there somewhere. I've got to take all of that stuff out. Take all of that out. Get to that stuff. And take some stuff off down there, where he is. Take all that off. And then just take your gearbox out. Not that hard, is it? So you ready? Shall we get it out? All right. Oh yeah, good luck buying a clutch for one of these, because yeah, we couldn't find a clutch for this. So customer is actually supplying the clutch for this one. Managed to find one online, which I find very strange, because it's got to be one of the most commonest cars in the UK, I'm sure, the Suzuki Swift. But, you know, apparently not in this situation. So right, let's get into it. Right, so now that we're all safe and jacked up, time to get the wheel off. Look. So we do this. Let's go. Denied. Probably should have got a leather hammer or something, you know, instead of like battering my hands. But you know, here we are. It's off now. Winner. I love it when they get stuck. Oh, what we got? Right, so now that's off, the wheel's out of our way. We're going to do it this way. So you see here, going to take drive shaft nut off. We're going to take these two out here, take our brake line off, and just so we can pull it forward, so we can get the shaft out that way. So let's do that. You ready? Set, go. Oh, it moves as well. How good is that? Yeah, buddy. Gotta love a Suzuki, eh? And get this off. Brake line. So, whoop-ah. Ready? Look at that. There we go. There's your brake line. Enough out of your way. That's all you needed. Now take your shock off. Simple, right? Yeah, sure. One. Ooh. Just like that. There we go. Drive shaft out. And then just do the same on the other side, basically. And then you can pop your shafts out and you're well away. Unbolt your gearbox, clutch on the floor, see you later. Just a little tip I'll give you. So what I've done here, just to take the pressure off the brake line, see there, just got a big ass cable tie, strung it through there, just so there's enough flexibility there. And obviously flexibility on the ABS line. And then obviously plenty of room to knock the shaft out now. So do that on your other side. Simple as that, and then we'll get under the car, we'll get on with the bottom side of things. Right, got it? Cool, let's go. And then he's up here, just took the battery tray out. What else are you doing, mate?
I don't know, I don't even know what I'm doing, to be fair.
Oh, I thought that was the case. I didn't think he knew what he was freaking doing. He's useless, mate. Look, he's just got some pliers, like he's pretending like he knows what he's doing down here. So he's trying to take some sort of gear selecty cables off, or so. I think that's what they call it, the gear selecty things.
Gear selecty.
The jiggies.
Gear selector.
Yeah, gear selecty majiggies basically is what they are. So yeah, you see the gear selecty majiggies down here. Take those off. You take it off down there as well, and then start taking some of the boltings out and stuff like that. All right, easy. That's some of this stuff he took out. So not a lot. Battery tray thing, basically just a battery tray with an ECU and a battery. Acting like he's done a lot. Yeah, he's done about 4 bolts, I would say, so far. Not a lot. Let's carry on anyway. Right, this is the other side. I'm not going to show it to you. So in 3, 2, 1. And there you go, people. That's the passenger side off. Look at woohoo. So same thing. Now let's go into it. Start unbolting all of that good stuff. Let's go. Forgot to say, take that off as well. Wheel latch liner, because you need to get into this area, which all they got is these little plastic trim clips on. Not too hard. Stick a little small screwdriver underneath. Pop them up. Pop them out. Job done. Let's carry on.
Release the cables.
So, releasing the cables, gotta push it, push in on it, and then shazam. See that? You've got to release, push the little white sleeve back in it. Huh?
On the back bit.
And then get to here, so you pull back on the sleeve, that's how you get your cables off. Once those are off, that's half the battle really, isn't it? Same on the other one, so that's all you got to do. And then get unbolting things. Well, that was a weird engine mount, just a little bit. But anyway, there's a bolt there, bolt in the middle, bolt at the top, 1, 2, 3 there. And then you've got to take the wiring harness bracket off. It's just up there in that gap. I don't know if you can see it, just there. Take that off. And that's that bit. Not so bad, 14 mils. So, for the offside drive shaft, to get that out, bit annoying actually, bit tight to get into. There's 3 bolts on this bracket, 1, 2, 3, mounts up to the engine to get that off. It's a bit of a tricky spot that was, because you've got the wiring loom that goes across. You can either take that off or do what I do, just get a ratchet in there and don't be a bitch and just take it off. Right, let's get the other shaft out, a few more bolts and we're almost there. Right, should take you on a little tour about all the bolts that we got out. Some of them are a little bit awkward, get yourself long spanners people. So there's one nut here, which obviously got thread going through. Got a bolt here I've left in just for when we get it off. There's a bolt here, I've slackened these plate bolts off, and up here, there's 1, 2 bolts up there, right up there, 17s, and then you've got obviously right here and a couple as you go up, and that's pretty much it now. Pretty much time to come out. Got all the drive shafts out, all that good stuff. Suppose it's that time, isn't it? Let's get the gearbox down. Let's have a look. Right, now you need to just get your engine obviously supported. We all need a little support in our lives, so you know, be that person, be the sportive one, just like we are. And our friend Jack. Jack is a very supportive guy, supports his engine. And then we'll go down here, we'll get our engine mount off. See, look here, there's one out, 2, and there's another one there. Take them badges out, and guess what? It'll come loose. So let's go. It's ready. We got it. There you go. Box on floor. Well, that's not that difficult, was it? See? No problem. And then we got, obviously, Mr. Clutcher. All you gotta do, take that one out, put a new one in, job done. Let's get to it. So, this was getting done because it had an almighty horrible noise. And guess what? Just found the noise, people. Do you want to see it? Yeah, we'll show it to you. We'll show it. Ready? Look at that. There you go. Just chilling in there. Just, again, a lot of Bluetooth parts we're coming up against lately. Like that, see that? There you go. Removable springs on your clutch friction plate. It's always good, isn't it? And to be honest, they're proper close to the edge anyway. Pretty much smoked. But there you go, people. That's what we've got, is that. All right, let's get the new one in, get this box back in, get it built up, and then check it for a noise. So all it is now, just do everything that we just did there, just in reverse. Oh, actually, I've got one more thing I forgot to show you, actually. Obviously, don't forget to swap these out. You're obviously your concentric slave cylinder, or some people call it hydraulic release bearing, whatever you want to call it. Get that changed out. Obviously, it's got 3 bolts in it. 1, 2, and then 1 at the bottom there. Just there. 1, 2, 3. And obviously take your piping out of it as well, because that's where you're going to bleed it from. So don't forget to do that. Put that in there, because if you go to all this effort, stick a clutch in there, and you don't put the slave cylinder in there, a couple of months down the line, could even be weeks, days, who knows. And then you're back to square one, taking your gearbox back out, and that'd be awfully foolish, wouldn't it? Yeah, it would. Don't do it. Be a fool. Don't be a fool. Stay in school. Change your slave cylinder. Peace out. Right, got the new clutch in. It's all torqued up. They were 12 mils. Little 1/4 inch torque wrench. Obviously, we've got a new bearing in there, and we've got a new clutch on there. All we've got to do, throw your gearbox back in. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, all that good stuff. The only annoying thing with this box, so I have found, see the threaded bit here, trying to get that to line back up. Bit of an awkward spot that is, so do be mindful when you're trying to get your clutch back in, because that looks like a bit of a twit, to say the least, to get in. Anyway, let's get it back together, and then we can get out of here, I guess. Check this out. It's all back in now, look at that. That's good, isn't it? Just all the last nibbing and tucking and whatnot now. Just got to get, obviously, this drive shaft in and all that good stuff. Other side's in, but we're getting there now. We're getting there. So let's carry on. See, look, everything's tight. Smash that in. Everything back on. Went out, chicken dinner. Coming to the end of this now. Pretty much done. That wasn't bad, was it? No drama. Well, there you have it. That's the Swift done. All back on the ground. Noisy beggar, ain't he, man? We'll just wait for him. And then we'll go back to what I was saying. But yeah, there you go. That's everything sorted on the Swift. Clutch done. Obviously, what we found, as you see here, that was causing the racket. It's all sorted now, all back up and running. And if you ever want to do a Swift, that's how you do it. A bit of a quicker video today. Hopefully it's a bit more interesting, less boring to just sit and watch me natter on about this, that and the other. But there we go, all good. She's a runner, she's a driver. Customer's happy, and we'll see you on the next one. Much love, peace out.